What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we have this 2019 GMC Acadia, and today I just want to show you where the spare tire and jack is at on this vehicle. So if you have one of these, stay tuned. Okay, so of course we're right here in the back of the vehicle. I opened up the gate. So you open up the vehicle, and first of all we're gonna get that third row seat, bring it all the way down. So we're gonna pull on these little levers here, and then we're gonna push the seat forward. One down, now the next one. Okay, so the spare tire is gonna be right here under here, but if we remove this we can't see it, so we have one more thing we gotta take off. So this one right here has Velcro, so we're just gonna pull those back, and then we're gonna take this one out of here. As you guys can see, after I open up the lid, all you gotta do here is pull this one forward a little bit, and then this whole lid can come off. Same thing on this side. And then we need to take off this insulator here. You can see that nut right there, and there's another one right there, and we gotta unscrew those. You guys can see I took off that plastic bolt. It's right there, and then over here too, with that thing. And then, like I said, this one, just pull it forward and it comes out. Now this one right here, this whole plastic bin comes off, so we're gonna go ahead and take that off. Removing that plastic bin, which is right there, all we gotta do is pull the foam up, and we should be able to see our spare tire. Okay, so the foam just comes straight up, and here it is. We have our spare tire, we have our jack, we have the nozzle to put gasoline in there, and inside the spare tire you can see to take off the nuts. And that is it, guys. That is the location of our spare tire, spare jack, the funnel to put some gasoline on the vehicle, and also your tools. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I will be bringing some more videos about this particular vehicle, more things that I find out that I don't know about yet, that I usually know on any other car. Whenever I find out, if it takes me a while to understand it, then I will put it on a video. That way nobody has to struggle like I am. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.